Propagating the plant Song of India or Dracaena reflexa is quite easy because it's a low maintenance plant. In this video, we will learn how to propagate it from cuttings and how to take care of the baby plants. To propagate this Dracaena, we will collect our cuttings first. First of all, disinfect your cutting tool with rubbing alcohol or any kind of disinfectant. Use sharp scissors to get a clean and nice cut. Choose a stem at least 6 inches long that you would like to propagate from your plant. Carefully trim it off using the shears. Always take more than one cutting when you are propagating any plant, so you have more options if the cuttings rot. So after making the cut, remove the leaves from the bottom because it's going in the water or soil later. Now take some aloe vera gel or rooting hormone powder. If you don't have any of these, you can also propagate without them. I'm using aloe vera gel here. Coat the cuttings bottom with aloe vera gel very well. This will encourage faster root growth. When propagating Song of India plant, choose filtered water or bottled water is going to work best. Fill your container with water and put your cuttings in it so that the leaves are out of the water. Place the cuttings in its container in an area with bright indirect light. When we prune or cut the plants, they are in shock. So after cutting, pruning or propagating, always keep them in their favorable environment. In this way, it gets easy for the cuttings to grow faster so they develop new roots very quickly. When you are propagating in soil, always choose a well-draining soil and ensure your container have some drainage holes at the bottom so there is no waterlogging problem. Fill your container with soil and make a hole in the center with your finger. Put the plant's bottom 2 to 3 inches in the soil. Press the soil firmly. Now sprinkle some water and try to keep the soil moist. Don't overwater your cuttings. Just keep the soil moist. And if there is very little amount of humidity, try misting the leaves. Once the plant is established, after a few weeks, plant it in a larger container with well-draining soil and care for it as usual. These cuttings are going to produce roots within 3 to 4 weeks. Once they form new roots, you can repot them. While your Song of India plant may need its soil changed out annually, this species is a slow grower and only needs to be repotted every few years. Never overwater this plant as it's especially susceptible to root rot. One issue to be aware of is the sensitivity to fluoride and chlorine. A good practice is to use bottled or filtered water for your plants or collect rainwater for your plants. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more houseplants care videos.